Hello, and in this video, we are going to learn how to find out unique values in a given list or how to remove duplicates in an easy and simple way with the unique function. So you can see here that I have a list of students and their favorite color, and I want to find out how many colors are there. What are the unique colors that my student actually like? So there are many ways to do this in Excel, but my favorite method is to use a unique function. And the unique function is available if you are using Office 365. But if you do not have Office 365 installed on your computer, don't worry, I will show you another method using the remove duplicates function. Alright, so first let's learn how to use the unique function. Okay, so first press the equal sign, and basically what it does is that it is telling Excel that we'll be entering a formula. Type in the name unique, okay, and press tab and open bracket. Okay, now we want to find all the unique values in a column. In this case, it's column B. So all you need to do is to move your mouse cursor to column B, move your mouse cursor to the top, and just click on it, and the whole column will be selected. Now, close bracket, and then hit enter, and here you will find that there are 7 unique colors: green, yellow, pink, blue, red, black, and white. Alright, so our job is done. Now, in case that you cannot find the unique function, then don't worry. Let's go to the second method, which is the remove duplicate. Now, first, you will need to select the entire data range. In this case, because my data is already been put into a table, so all I need to do is to press Ctrl A. But if your data is not being put in a table, you might have to press Shift Ctrl down, or to just use your mouse to select the data range. Okay, now Ctrl A, and then go to the data tab, go to data tools, and select this option, remove duplicates. So basically what it does is that it will look at the data from the entire range. It might be a column or it might be a sheet, but it will keep only the first unique value and then delete all the rest. Okay, so click on this, and we want to remove duplicates from the second column, which is the favorite color. So uncheck the first column, which is student, and then press OK. And you can see that it has removed 19 duplicate values and retained 7 unique values. Now, this is a very common method, but there's a red flag. If you're going to use remove duplicates, make sure that you keep a backup copy of the original data somewhere else, because you see what it does is that it removes all the duplicate values. So our data consists of only 7 unique values. The rest are gone, and sometimes we still need to refer to the original list of data, which is 26 students. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. That's it for now. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.